In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in Xero. Voiding is the right move when an invoice was created in error or should no longer be collected, and you want to be able to keep a clear audit trail without deleting it. Keep in mind that once an invoice is voided, it can't be edited or brought back, so double check details before you proceed. Start in your Xero account and head to the sales area. This is where you manage your accounts receivable. From there, open invoices to see all your sales documents in one place. You'll notice different tabs that group invoices by status. To void an issued but unpaid invoice, go to the Awaiting Payment tab. Xero only allows you to void in invoices that have been approved and haven't been fully paid. If an invoice shows a payment, you'll need to remove or reverse that payment first before you can void it. Find the invoice you want to void and open it. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the customer, date, reference, and line items. This is your last chance to catch typos or pick the right document, and it helps keep your audit trail clean. Remember, voiding removes the invoice from customer statements and your outstanding balances, and it may impact tax reports like GST or VAT if the period hasn't been filed yet. In the open invoice, look to the top right for the three-dot overflow menu. Click that to reveal more actions specific to this invoice. Choose Void from the list. If Xero prompts for a reason, add a brief, clear note such as duplicate invoice or issued in error. This reason helps anyone reviewing your books later understand exactly why the change was made. Xero will ask you to confirm. Click Void again to finalize. You should see the invoice status change to voided, and it will drop out of your aged receivables and other open invoice lists. You won't be able to edit it, but the record stays in Xero for reference, which is important for compliance and transparency. A few closing tips to keep everything tidy. If the invoice was already sent to a customer, consider notifying them that it's been voided so there's no confusion. If you need to adjust amounts rather than cancel the invoice entirely, a credit note might be more appropriate. Make sure you have the right user permissions to void invoices, and rerun any receivables or cash flow reports so they reflect the change. That's it. Your invoice is now successfully voided in Xero.